Hey guys, I'm Nohea, owner of Centenac House Interiors. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at our Scottsdale project and it is past demo already and things are getting done. So I'm here to give you some updates and some of our plans and how we've transitioned some plans so far. So stay tuned. This is one of many updates that we're gonna have on the house. So right here, these doors are, I love beautiful French doors, but since we want to make it more modern Parisian, we're going to have these black gridded iron doors with side lights, and it's going to be so beautiful. This floor, we're going to do this natural, organic, gray and cream Harlequin tile, so that's just checkered but at a diagonal, and that'll be in this whole foyer. We were going to demo this whole step because here you have to step down in 3 spots to get anywhere, but due to budgetary constraints, that was actually the first thing to go. So we're just gonna keep it. Off of the foyer is the master bedroom. We are going to make this room very calming, probably going to be like a medium beige color. We have some samples here on the wall. I'll show you the colors. So I'm leaning this color. I just want it to be very calming, very zen, very relaxing. And what you see here traced out is the box trim. So a bunch of molding going in. The doors go out to the courtyard. We're doing all of the exterior wood doors in a taupe color. Here is cabinets at the bottom. So we're doing these white oak cabinets and we're going to be doing Taj Mahal slab floating shelves above it, just for like a wow moment in this room. So in the master bathroom, we didn't really change around the layout of it because I already really liked the layout. This was a linen closet. We're just gonna do similar cabinets here and then more Taj Mahal shelves here. This is the vanity alcove. We're doing this really pretty cream colored reeded tambour cabinet with a Taj Mahal top and some backlit mirrors. And I want you to really feel like you're at a spa, like at a resort at this house. So the backlit mirrors are very resort spa feeling. So that's why I chose those. The flooring is cream. Nothing in this house is stark white because, again, I want it to feel very luxurious, very warm. Even the shower, which this is my first time seeing the shower. So hold on, give me a moment. It's amazing. We decided on this like fluted vertical stacked mosaic tile. That's a Calicut gold. And then the flooring is also Calicut gold, but in a hexagon 2x2 mosaic. Everything is gonna be antique brass in here. So it's gonna be this beautiful aged finish, exposed plumbing everywhere. I really wanted an outdoor shower in the house we bought. And this was the next best alternative. So behind here, there's gonna be vines. You're gonna feel like you're showering outside. We're gonna drop in a chandelier here, some really pretty flowy chiffon curtains. We're keeping the tub as it is, and it's gonna be surrounded by a tile and another Taj Mahal slab. And then the tub filler is going to be that same antique burnished brass finish. All right, so here in this mess right now, this was all not how you see it now. So the kitchen was over here. It was kind of this crazy mess of like tons of hallways you had to go through. There was like only one entrance into the kitchen and one out. You couldn't get to the living room from here. You had to go through the foyer. So we just took it all out, rearranged everything. We're adding actually 2 bathrooms. So one of the bathrooms is going to go to that bedroom right there. Another bathroom will be open to the hallway. And then the kitchen was over here and we decided to move it where you're standing now. So that was a big feat. What you see now is these trenches they had to dig. They had to move plumbing for the 2 bathrooms. So what you see is the 2 bathrooms. And then right here, we had the opportunity to put a bar. And I know a bar seems unnecessary in an Airbnb, but the family that sold us the house is Orthodox Jewish and they were kosher. And the listing agent told us that it would be a great opportunity to keep the kitchen kosher. There are multiple Orthodox synagogues in walking distance from this neighborhood, and the Jewish community is very prominent here in North Scottsdale. And I grew up here, and so I have a lot of Jewish friends. We wanted to kind of keep that option available to the Jewish community. So what happens in a kosher kitchen is they don't mix meat and dairy. So you have to have 2 sinks, 2 ovens, 2 dishwashers, 2 fridges. So the bar is an opportunity to have another sink, have another fridge, and then in the kitchen we'll have 2 dishwashers and 2 ovens. We're gonna have the fridge and the range wall here, a beautiful plastered vent hood. So it's gonna be plastered with Roman clay, white oak cabinetry, Taj Mahal slabs. You can tell the Taj Mahal is a theme throughout the house. I loved this view out the window. We're gonna fix up the fountain and it'll be tons of greenery back there. And so while you're washing dishes, you get to see this fountain. You can have the window open and have the sounds of the water running. So that's gonna be beautiful. So initially we were gonna keep the kitchen kind of where it was, just move it a little. Unfortunately, the engineering of the home didn't allow for that. When we demoed everything and took out all the drywall, we found a lot of structural support here. So what you see here is all structural. There were a lot of additions to this house. There's vaulted ceilings, there's flat roof, and this is kind of where they meet. And unfortunately, we just couldn't take it out without crazy, crazy work. Tens of thousands of dollars, months and months of permits and additional work. So that wasn't gonna work for us, so we had to pivot. And this is actually a really long dining room, and we were able to make use of the space better. We actually, because of it, did add an additional bathroom, which I explained was the hall bath. And then we have an opportunity to give us more architectural features. So where I'm walking through now is going to be arches, along with right here. And then this whole wall now can become a wall of glass doors. So that's gonna be more of the black gridded iron doors that will show the awesome backyard, which we'll get to soon, but that's gonna match the front doors that I was explaining earlier. Okay, so here is a room off of what will be the dining room. It's an Airbnb, as I said, so we want as many bedrooms and bathrooms as possible. So this we're closing in to make the 5th bedroom. And the door will go right here. So it'll give us another little office space here. I'm keeping these doors because holy cow, like wooded 8 light, actually 10 light doors are expensive. And these are beautiful. They're true to the Spanish hacienda style of the home, which I love. And here in Arizona, people want to get that authentic Arizona vibe. So we're keeping these stationary. I'm gonna open these up so you can have a view of the fountain. Whoever stays in here is staying in my favorite room. What I have in my mind is unreal for this room. We're gonna have floor to ceiling, like super flowy chiffon curtains. The bed is insane upholstered, really moody, like sconces, just moody everything. It's gonna be a vibe. And so the ceiling also was a drop ceiling, and it was like this weird hexagon. We took that out, and it's just gonna be a vibe. So you should staycation just in this bedroom. This bathroom, that is the hall bath. That's gonna be the bathroom for the den that I just described. And this is the newest bathroom. So I wanted it, again, we're like very modern Parisian hotel on the inside. It's gonna have this insane, super veiny Calcutta viola, like purpley red marble everywhere. And then mixed with this like emerald green marble fluted tile. And I know it might sound crazy when I explain it, but in my head, it's, oh my gosh, like I wanna scream. So it's also gonna have this floating walnut vanity. So that's gonna be like the traditional kind of hotel vibe. And then you're just gonna like, wow, with the Calcutta viola, polished brass hardware everywhere. This bathroom that's going to be the ensuite bathroom to that bedroom is going to be Obviously still modern Parisian, but kind of more like zen and relaxing. And I still wanted it to be like an ode to the desert. We are in the desert, we're in Arizona. So it's gonna be this like sandy kind of stone everywhere. The vanity is a white oak, a tambour, and we have this black gridded glass. We have oil rub bronze that's coming back, guys. And it's just gonna feel a little more earthy. Where the bar is, that's gonna be another pathway to the living room, which was not available in the previous layout. You had to go all the way around through the foyer. So we are keeping the foyer entry into the living room. So there's just additional pathways to get into here. This window, we're opening up a little bit. So although there is a road there, the courtyard is pretty private and there's not a ton of light in here, so I wanted to open up the window a little. So it'll be taller, and we're gonna have these really pretty floor to ceiling curtains. That's gonna be a moment. The vibe is very, again, modern Parisian, but you're gonna feel earthy and homey. I don't want it to feel cold. I want it to feel like you're at home, even though it is an Airbnb. This fireplace, we're demoing this hearth, and this is going to be flat drywall with a Roman clay paint coating. So everything really earthy. The paint colors, we want it really warm and creamy. I'm leaning to this one. It's gonna be, I don't want anything super stark white. I want you to be enveloped in like warmth. So I'm leaning really creamy. I kind of like this one too. The laundry room is actually, this is the same Harlequin tile that's going in the foyer. Amazing, amazing wall-mounted cast iron sink in here. White oak cabinets above the washer dryer with these antiqued burnished brass knobs. Same vibe for this linen closet, white oak cabinets with antique burnished brass knobs. 2 more bedrooms. This is the bedroom that will have the ensuite to the additional bathroom we're doing. And then this bathroom, oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm just seeing this tile. Our tile guy is amazing, and he just did this. So I need to take a moment to process this because it's so good. Okay, so we wanted to do really interesting tile lays in this bathroom because this is like, one of those bedrooms is gonna be a bunk room. The kids will likely use this bathroom, and it also goes out to the backyard. So it'll be a pool bath. So I wanted to make it funky and fun, and this is funky and fun. This is the vanity. We have these really pretty brushed gold, kind of like invisible hardware. It just is flush with the cabinetry. Reeded detail. The shower is amazing. So for all of the bathrooms, I wanted this really long niche where you can fit more than like 3 bottles of something. I hate when the niche, whatever it's called, is this tiny in people's showers and you can only fit 3 things. Like I have face wash, I have body wash, I have a billion products in the shower. So what the heck? So here we are also gonna have a hand shower too, because this is gonna be a kid's bathroom as well. So the hand shower is really nice for baby baths. And then another really fun tile lay with this 1-inch grout line. That is so cool. I think it's really unique. Welcome to Amenity Central. So as I said, this is gonna be an Airbnb, and here in Scottsdale, we're renowned for our resorts actually. And we're competing against some of the best resorts in the country, in the world, and they have all the amenities. The Airbnb market in Scottsdale is really, really saturated. You can find just any type of home you want in Scottsdale on Airbnb. So we wanted to make this really unique, have all the amenities of a resort, but the luxury of being in a home. So one of the things that is going to make us very unique is a lazy river. So I grew up in Scottsdale and we used to sneak into all the resorts. Sorry, Mom. And I loved, our favorite resort to sneak into was the JW Marriott at Desert Ridge. and we loved sneaking into there because their lazy river was bananas. When you're back there, you kind of feel like really private, and like when you're in 7th grade, that's like so cool. So I wanted to make this lazy river super, super sweet and make it feel really private. So we put this ficus hedge in, so when it grows in, it's gonna be like crazy. There's an island in the middle, so it's gonna have like a projector screen where you can like sit on the island and watch movies, and that's gonna be nuts. And then another really cool feature is this way. So remember when I said I wanted it to have all the amenities of a resort? This is going to be the sauna, cold plunge, gym center. So it just looks like a shed now, but it's going to transform into this amazing wellness retreat. The walls are going to be wrapped in cedar, so you're gonna feel like you're really in a sauna. It's gonna smell amazing. A cold plunge back here, like a real cold plunge, a sauna here, and then some gym equipment. We're gonna have a ton of yoga mats for if you want to do yoga out here, have a yoga retreat. It's gonna be amazing. I'm probably going to sneak in myself and have some sauna sessions. Out this way, we're going to have a putting green and some bocce ball and a life-size chess board. So, you know, like the huge chess pieces. I love chess. Hopefully they don't get thrown into the pool, but we'll see. So another perk of staying at a house is you get your own stuff. Again, I wanted amenities like a hotel. They have pickleball courts, so we have a pickleball court. This is about to get lacquered in a few days by Just Pickle Courts. Shout out, they've been awesome. Yeah, you get your own private pickleball. You don't have to share with the rest of the hotel. So this is gonna be amazing. We're gonna have hedges all over to make it kind of private. Back here where you see this empty lot, we had the opportunity to get this huge lot. It's almost an acre. So back there is going to be an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit. We're trying to make it a 2-bed, 2-bath, and that will be a full-time rental. So it's gonna have its own 9-foot wall, completely private from the rest of the house, and actually its own driveway, which will be kind of subdivided from the rest of the lot out onto the road. This doesn't look like much now, but this is going to be an oasis. We're getting the fountain running. Again, this is a hacienda style home, and so I wanted to keep it very, not very Spanish, but still keep the Spanish bones to it. And I really love the Spanish tile. The stucco I'm not huge on, but we got to pick our battles. The trim is also kind of Santa Fe hacienda, and we're gonna make it very zen, earthy, desert, like it blends into Arizona. This pergola is staying, again, all the wood doors are staying to still make it Spanish hacienda vibes. And we're gonna have a hanging swing here, so you can just hang out and enjoy the fountain and enjoy your greenery, your lush greenery. Again, there's gonna be a big 9-foot fence, and so that's gonna be filled with hedges. So it's just gonna be green when you look out the window, when you're outside here, and very relaxing and calming. All right, well, that's all that is going on at the house, I think. I hope I didn't miss anything, but we're gonna have some more updates, so stay tuned for those. And make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Just comment what you're most excited about with this house and come to our launch party.